Since 2016, Bell & Ross has been the official timekeeping partner of Alpine F1. While Bell & Ross is primarily known for aviation and military-inspired watches, this collaboration highlights another key influence in their design philosophy: motorsport engineering. Formula One and watchmaking share core principles: extreme precision, lightweight materials, and a relentless pursuit of performance. Bell & Ross didn't just slap a racing logo on an existing watch. Instead, they developed timepieces that capture the spirit and technology of an F1 car, using the same high-tech materials, bold aesthetics, and mechanical ingenuity. This partnership has led to several limited edition chronographs, each reflecting the evolution of Alpine's race cars over the years. The early years: Renault F1 and Bell & Ross. When Bell & Ross joined forces with Renault F1 in 2016, the goal was to create watches that mirror the technical precision of a Formula One car. The BR-X1 RS16 was one of the first models to come out of this collaboration. Named after the Renault RS16 race car, this piece introduced a skeletonized chronograph movement, allowing wearers to see the intricate inner workings, just as an F1 engineer would analyze an engine's internals. The case was made from forged carbon fiber, a material also used in the chassis of Renault's F1 cars, ensuring both durability and reduced weight. Over the next few years, Bell & Ross refined the collection with the BR-03 to 94 RS series, which featured carbon fiber and ceramic cases, tachymeter scales for lap timing, and Renault's iconic black and yellow color scheme. Each of these models served as a testbed for lightweight materials and bold racing aesthetics. The Alpine era begins a new chapter in 2021. In 2021, Renault F1 rebranded as Alpine F1, aligning with the French sports car manufacturer, known for its lightweight, high-performance vehicles. Bell & Ross adapted seamlessly, launching the BR-03 to 94 A521. Named after the Alpine A521 race car, this model marked a departure from Renault's black and yellow theme, adopting Alpine's signature blue, white, and black color scheme. Technically, the A521 introduced a bi-compact chronograph layout, echoing the dials and switches found in an F1 cockpit. The pushers were designed to resemble paddle shifters, reinforcing the motorsport connection. The use of titanium and ceramic ensured a robust yet lightweight case, mirroring the way Alpine F1 engineers strive to shave every unnecessary gram from their cars, pushing the limits BR-05 Chrono Alpine and beyond. By 2023, Bell & Ross had further refined its Alpine-inspired designs. The BR-05 Chrono Alpine took a slightly different approach by integrating the urban sport chic aesthetic of the BR-05 collection. Unlike the square BR-03 models, the BR-05 features a more integrated case and bracelet, making it ideal for both racing fans and everyday wear. This model emphasized a sleek, modern look with high legibility chronograph counters, a tachymeter scale, and a brushed steel case reminiscent of an F1 monocoque chassis. While previous models were heavily motorsport focused, the BR-05 Chrono Alpine introduced a more versatile luxury sports watch feel, signaling a potential shift in Bell & Ross's approach to Alpine collaborations. The technology connection: F1 engineering meets watchmaking. What makes this partnership unique is the way Bell & Ross translates Formula One technology into horological innovation. Here are some key parallels between their watches and Alpine's F1 cars. Materials: carbon fiber, titanium, and ceramic, all commonly found in F1 construction, are used extensively in Bell & Ross's Alpine editions. Weight reduction: just as F1 teams prioritize reducing weight for better performance, Bell & Ross incorporates lightweight materials to enhance wearability. Chronograph functionality: essential for motorsport. Bell & Ross's Alpine watches feature precise chronographs that allow timing down to fractions of a second, mirroring the importance of split-second decisions in F1. Aerodynamics and ergonomics: the case designs and pushers often mimic elements from an F1 cockpit, such as paddle shifters and aerodynamic lines. What's next? The future of Bell & Ross and Alpine F1. With Alpine F1 continuing to evolve, it raises the question: how will Bell & Ross adapt? Will they introduce more mechanical innovations inspired by F1 engineering? Could we see a fully in-house movement with Alpine branding? Or perhaps an ultra-lightweight tourbillon chronograph that mirrors the precision of an F1 power unit? Another interesting possibility is the use of hybrid materials, similar to what we see in modern F1 cars. Could Bell & Ross incorporate 3D printed components or even graphene-infused cases, pushing the boundaries of watchmaking, just as F1 teams push the limits of aerodynamics? One thing is certain: as long as Alpine F1 is pushing for podium finishes, Bell & Ross will continue to craft timepieces that capture the adrenaline, precision, and innovation of the sport. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast or a collector drawn to high-performance chronographs, this collaboration remains one of the most exciting intersections between racing and horology.